This is our reality today. A little bit of snow last night. 4 inches. Melting pretty quick. Let's take a listen in our backyard. Still going. Oh, I see my neighbor's building his ice rink already. I'm off this morning to take Jasmine to another birthday. She can't get enough birthday parties. This one's for one of her friends that was at our place yesterday, Charlie. They are going rock climbing today at a rock climbing gym. So that'll be fun for them. It'll be a little break for us. So that was a zoo yesterday. In the house and get the girl. Isn't that pretty? This is where the birthday party is, right next to the tracks. You ready? Are you pumped? Let's go. This will be great. I get to sign a waiver and everything, Jasmine.
Just like I had a train beside it.
Trains. Yeah, mysterious industrial buildings. Yeah, this is the kind of place Daddy likes. There's a lot of kids on the wall.
Yeah, there's a big party in right now.
I don't know how you guys stand it.
And do we have a waiver for this young lady yet?
Not yet.
Okay, that's cool. You can do it
to
now.
work.
So I'll send you over to the iPads over there. And can I just give her first and last name?
Jasmine Gemmell. Gemmell.
Dad can fill out waiver, so iPad's right there. Just put in all of her information.
Perfect.
And
Okay, bye. You gotta go. The weather has turned to grapple. Or almost grapple. I just missed the grapple. The grapple is like snow, but it's like little round balls of snow. And they kind of bounce when they land on something that's hard anyways. I'm on my way now to go pick up Jasmine from the climbing place. Some points that make me really proud to have a little girl like Jasmine. When she helps others.
Deleting the action.
It's nice to have a little girl that plays well with others. It's helpful. That was very nice of you, helping that little kid. What was that little kid's name? We're going home. Daddy's making chili. Hopefully you like it. You might not, because I'm making it the way I like it. But you might really love it, because I know you like a lot of the stuff that I like.
Does this chili have meat in it?
Oh yeah. It's mostly meat. So I'm making chili. In my chili, I put chipotle peppers and a lot of meat. That's 4 pounds of meat in there. There's a chipotle pepper. I don't leave the chipotle peppers in all the time. I put them in after I brown the meat, and then I take them out after they've done their job. All I want is the flavor of them to go through, and I don't want as much as the heat as they offer. Not that I don't like hot things, I do, but this is a whole pile of chili, and it's going to be up to me to eat it, because I don't think the little girl's going to like it. Oh, I've got one more to find here. Let's take a look outside at our little squeaky happy birthday thing. I think it's still going. I I see our neighbor's building his ice rink already. We got snow. Yeah, look at that. It's a winter wonderland. What a change from yesterday. Geez, Thursday I wore shorts and a t-shirt during the day. Well, back to the chili. I gotta fish out one more chipotle.
That's probably
That's what happens. One little blue light. Near occurred. Please try again later. That's what happens with Bell's service. It keeps cutting out. Chili's finished. It's delicious. I'm gonna head out now. I've got a list. I've got to go and get some stuff from the grocery store. Check our little friend out here. Yeah, still going strong. It's something else. That's day 6. Day 6 of happy birthday. Little girls in the bathtub in there. The big girls out here making magnets. They're pretty cool.
Yeah, I like the way they're turning out.
Mm-hmm.
I like this knife. It's working well.
She likes my new knife. Okay, let's get out of here. So I'm just about to download a video I did reading to Jasmine. It's bedtime. Night light. Go brush your teeth. So I did this video so I don't have to read to her anymore.
No, you will.
I will. No, I won't. You just watch the video from now on.
No, because
Pretty exciting. I'll put snips in.
I won't. Anyway, are you not gonna watch that video?
Go brush your teeth. Fancy Nancy! The show must go on. Quiet, please, says Miss Glass. I have an announcement. Are you listening? So I ask Arnold, do you like to sing? He says no. Do you like to dance or tell jokes? He can wiggle his ears. He can crack his fingers. He can balance a spoon on his nose. Let's do a circus act. You can be the lion. I can be the lion tamer. I already have a costume. I give Lionel a clay lion I made. And guess what? He teaches me to balance a spoon on my nose.
Do you know how?
I do.
Really?
Yeah. Thanks, Fancy Nancy. It's a Fancy Nancy book. Great reading. And I didn't fall asleep once.
Yeah, but you usually do.
I know I usually do.
You fall asleep.
Yeah, when I'm reading.
Like you're almost closing your eyes.
Here's your book. Can you go put your book away, please? Skunk!
Pinky Stinky.
Pinky Stinky. Pinky Stinky is Jasmine's new skunk. He's got pink eyes. And is a skunk. Hey, say goodnight, Jasmine.
Good night.
Good night, everyone. Thanks for watching.